show you this camera, and I want to go and take a look at how it looks, how it performs, how you're able to go and see it out of the box, and everything that you need to know if you're looking to buy this camera, which you are here on this Amazon page. Now, let's start off with the device itself. It is a very good looking camera in terms of aesthetics. It works really well. You have a nice clear image if that's what you're looking for, both during the day and during the night, which is very important, of course, because if you go out at night, you need to have a clear image, and we're talking of one of the best clear images in the security cameras business, in my opinion, as I have them for my office. So I've got a few ones which I switch out every here and there. I always like to try something new. I always like to try something different, and overall I am very satisfied with it. And then I can give it to my family, put it in my house, in my family house, and everything. So throughout the video you will be able to see also, aside from the design, also the quality of the image, which is really important. So make sure to stick until the end. But overall, what are we talking about? The value, and why do I suggest these items in general? Well, talking about the value is a very great value for what you are paying. There are different cameras for different needs, and this one is, I believe, an everyday kind of need, everyday kind of usage need, and everything that comes with the possibility of having such a nice camera. So the camera itself, you're also able to go and take it around with you. Just to make it clear, we're not talking about a big cameras here, which I'm sure you were able to see throughout the video, but you're able to take it, unplug it, and take it with you, whether you want to go take it to your family house, to your office, if you have an office outside your house, take it to your house, take it to your parents' house, or wherever you want. You're also able to have stuff that you can put it in the shed if you have one, so you can have multiple devices in your house, which is a good idea, and they all connect throughout the same app, which is also a nice touch. And you're able to have, let's say, one in the front of the shed, one inside the shed, one in the front of the house, one in the house, for example. So you are able to go and decide and have different allocation for this, and everything comes together within the one app that you are going to use, which you're able to go and download from the respective store of the device as a phone that you are using, whether it's the Google Play Store, whether it's the Apple Store, or whichever store you're going to download the app. So overall, it is a very great value for the camera that you're getting. The device looks nice. It looks very subtle. It looks very nice. It does what it has to do. It doesn't look super fancy. It's not like in your eyes, so you're also able to kind of hide it within the house. So that's also a plus. And overall, I'm really satisfied with how it looks, with how it comes out, and with how it performs both in-app and the crisp images of it as well. So really satisfied with everything that comes with it.